But we start tonight at 6 with a bipartisan bill at the Capitol in Des Moines looking to give Iowans close to 9 figures in property tax relief. That proposal is through both the Senate and House on nearly unanimous votes. Iowa's News Now State House reporter Skylar Tallall is getting us the details tonight at the Capitol.
Iowa taxpayers were very vocal about these assessment letters and needing the system to be better. And today we made the system better.
Both chambers passing a $100 million property tax relief package, now awaiting Governor Reynolds' signature. The proposal's main component essentially limits how much money local governments can bring in, requiring any remaining funds be used to lower property taxes.
It's just when you have assessment windfalls, we're taking a percentage of that and making you buy down your levy, as opposed to it just being a win for the bureaucracy.
The proposal would consolidate multiple levies into a general fund for cities and counties to limit some of that growth.
Right now we pay $8.10 per $1,000 of valuation for our city taxes to provide services. These new levies will go on top of that, but it will limit the growth as the assessments go up. So it slowly ratchets down the amount of revenue, thus the amount of taxes we pay.
The bipartisan bill also outlines additional property tax exemptions for seniors and veterans. Republicans estimate these would provide them with roughly $57 million in property tax relief.
Primarily it's going to benefit people who are more middle class, seniors or people who are on a fixed income, and our veterans.
Lawmakers are also looking to give Iowans more transparency by requiring an itemized tax receipt be sent out to all taxpayers. And they don't believe this bill will impact essential services, but the bill only lasts for 4 years, so they will be able to revisit the issue and make adjustments accordingly.
To give a legislature down the road a time to evaluate this and make sure that it actually is not hurting our ability to provide essential services, and at the same time helping people stay in their homes.
The proposal does go into effect July 1st, but Iowans won't see any relief until next tax season. In Des Moines, Skylar Tallall reporting.
That property tax bill is also changing when school districts and cities can have votes for bond measures. They would only be able to do that during general elections if the bill is signed, which means the earliest we could see any of those in Iowa would now be November of 2024.
More voters are coming out, and the bill also requires more transparency. So there'll be more information provided to voters prior to that bonding vote on what it is that they're going to be voting on.
Of course, moving it to November 2024 messes up plans that the Cedar Rapids Community School District was making. They were looking at a September vote on a $312 million measure to upgrade middle and high schools district-wide and build a new middle school. We are still waiting to hear back from the district spokesperson about the decision.